Fix verification failed Apple ID server problem. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix verification failed Apple ID server problem, firstly open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Apple system status. Tap on the first link there and now as you can see all the services are operating normally, which means this is not a server issue. You can also tap on the plus symbol and double check. Since all the services are operating normally, this issue might also occur due to poor internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also enable airplane mode and wait for 20 to 30 seconds before toggling it off again. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, in settings itself, tap on General and then on VPN and Device Management and make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN services. If you are connected to a VPN, then go ahead and disconnect it. Lastly, open your preferred browser again and in the search bar search for iforgot.apple.com. And here go ahead and tap on the reset password option and then on reset my password. Here enter your email address or phone number and tap on continue, and now go ahead and confirm email address and tap on next. You'll be led to settings, tap on your name banner and then on sign in and security. Tap on change password and enter your device's passcode. You will now be allowed to change your password without having to enter your previous password, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.